Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to access and view shared files with you in your Google Drive account. So with that being said, drop a like and now let us dive into this. So guys, finding these shared files is actually no rocket science. All you need to do is head over to your Google Drive account, make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account of course, and what you want to do guys is simply take a look at that panel here to the left. And below the My Drive and Computer section, you will see a section or folder or category called Shared With Me. And if you hover your mouse over it, you will see the description, Items Shared With Me. So if you have a contact who shared files or folders with you through Google Drive, you will find these shared files in exactly that location. So simply click on it with your left mouse and here you will see these files. As you can see, there are no files so far stored in that category here for me. But if someone shared files with you through Google Drive, you will find these exactly here. And that's all to it, guys. Hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.